cookware from Thyme and Table, and I love personally the color. It's got a very French feel to it, so we're gonna test it out. It's brunch o'clock over here, so we got some eggs and some beautiful vegetables that we got from Harrison Market Gardens that we're gonna be featuring this week at the restaurant. But I just brought a couple pieces of asparagus and ramps. Ramps are currently in season, but the season is so small, and it's the best way to describe it is like it's in the onion garlic type flavor profile. It's wild. It grows along with morels, which is also wild, and it has such a short season, so we were able to get some of these that we're going to be featuring this week also. And so we're just going to quickly cook something up, play around with these pans that we got. Great pans. We tested it with absolutely no oil, no butter, and fried an egg, and it worked perfectly. So here we go. Inside of our 2.5 quart saucepan, we have water just bringing to a boil. We're gonna blanch this asparagus real quick, and it's got these little spouts on the side that let the steam out, and it's sealed by rubber, so that's amazing. Let's get some butter in this pan. Just gonna chop up these ramps. Now you can do so many things with this. We're just gonna quickly run through the tops. The bottoms can be pickled, they can be fermented. I've seen people make kimchi with it. My wife and I were talking about just chopping some up and kind of freezing it and throwing it into our sofrito. For those of you who are Puerto Rican, you know what that is. Just mixed up bell peppers, garlic, some peppers, and culantro. But I'm just gonna quickly run through this with my knife. And in this pan back here, we are going to kind of roast off the asparagus with the ramps, and in this front pan right here we are going to fry off the egg. Now it's non-stick and it works perfectly without any butter or oil, but again, I am a chef and we love our butter. So 2 eggs in there, nice amount of salt, freshly cracked pepper. Now let's get some butter in this back pan over here. We're literally blanching the asparagus, so we're just trying to get that color brightened up. Heavily salted water. Get it nice and tender. You see how bright green that is. Some brown butter. Asparagus in. Shut that off. Our eggs are cooking. Just gonna arrange that right in there. Throw this bottom in too. Season. It's perfect. Smooths around with the butter in there. Some color. Now it all depends how you like your eggs cooked. Cooking for my wife. Hey baby. She does not like her eggs to be completely runny, so we're gonna flip it. Or you can put a lid on top of it as well and cover it up. But you know, it all depends on how you like your eggs cooked. So flip one. So we blanched it, it's cooked. We don't want to cook all the flavor out of the ramp, so we're going to go straight to the plate with that. The other one flip. Now this is done. Same with our eggs. Our eggs are done. We just turned them over. Wanted just a little bit of heat on the opposite side. Go ahead and get these out of the pan. This is how well those pans are. All I did was put some water on it and it's completely clean. Obviously you can wash it, a little bit of soap, use a rag, try not to scrub it, not to mess it up, but works perfectly well. Here you go. Roasted asparagus with some wild ramps and a fried egg.